playing games and making money? Did you ever wonder if it was possible to play games and make money at the same time? Well, today is the day that you're going to stop wondering because we're going to be teaching you how you can play games and earn all at the same time. And we're also going to be teaching you what games you're supposed to play to make that money. We're going to be sharing the top 3 games that pay you real money. This is not a drill, this is reality, and we don't think that you're ready for it either. Our method for today is going to be very easy because we don't like putting up complicated content to confuse you. We want you guys to earn money in the easiest and most fun way possible, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. This method is 100% free, and you won't need any skills or prior experience, and it's available worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can definitely try this method out too. Don't be scared because there is no harm in trying, and maybe before you've tried playing games and they totally ripped you off, but we're not here to play around, and that's why we want you guys to follow along very closely and pay close attention as well. Now look at some of the earnings coming from our method from today. We're going to be showing you this website in a few moments, but we just want to leave it there so that you guys can have something to look forward to as you watch today's video. But that's just one website, okay? These earnings are from only one website. So imagine that you could be earning this much from one website and more, including the 2 other websites that we're going to be sharing with you later on into the video. There are specific instructions and steps that you're going to have to follow, so make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First app for today that you can download on an iOS or an Android device, it doesn't really matter, is called Lucktastic. Now you obviously need to download this on your mobile device, so you don't even need a laptop or a desktop computer. Literally all you need is a mobile device, and that's it. You can earn by playing games. The way that this app works is that it allows you to play scratch-off lottery tickets virtually for absolutely and completely free. And also free to download on your mobile device, whether that is an Android device or an iOS device. And the best part is that it gives you cash prizes if you win the game. You can win up to $5,000, but that's if you're consistent. What's important is that you always log in and play so your money can accumulate. You can cash out your prizes in so many different ways, as you can see over here. And with every card that you play, you can earn tokens. That's obviously money, and they give out quite big amounts, so you can easily collect, and eventually it can grow really big. There are even instant rewards that you can claim using those tokens. So really, if you want cash or if you want instant rewards like these, it's all in your hands. You can even enter contests. There are literally so much that you can do to earn on this one app alone, and it all has something to do with playing games. So you're going to be earning in so many different ways, but all of it has something to do with playing. It doesn't get any better than that. Don't you agree? Anyone can win. There's a $1 million winner, and who knows, that could be you. So make sure that you try this website out and let us know how it goes in the comments down below. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Our second app for today is called Misplay. Misplay is also an app wherein you can play multiple new games and earn from them with choices of rewards as well. Misplay's point system is in units, so that's how you're getting your rewards, and those can be converted. You can even choose from gift cards if you want by playing games like this. You can even make friends on this app. You can chat with them daily. There are always new games that you can choose from. You can play games, collect units, redeem rewards, join weekly contests that you can win up to $7,500 from. This is how it'll look like if you were to look it up on the App Store or the Google Play Store. For us, this is the Google Play Store, and you can download this for completely free. As you can see, it has a 4.0 rating, which isn't bad at all, and it also has some good reviews on it as well. Over here, someone said, I like this app, I just wish it had more different games. I've gotten 3 absolutely different cards from playing this game, so that part is great. You do get paid. So you really do get paid. Absolutely love this app. In fact, I'm so satisfied with this app that I don't even feel the urge to try and find a better or faster rewarding app. So those seem like very much reliable reviews, so I suggest that you guys try this out too. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload our brand new video. Our last app or last game for today is called corn-farm.com. This game has actually been very popular in the past year. People are literally cashing out every single day from this app, and it's very easy to use from what we've observed. For this game, we do recommend that you open the website and play it on your computer instead, since it's much easier and you have more range of motion. But if you don't have a computer or a laptop, then you can easily do it on your phone. There's really no problem with that. It says earn money by playing. Buy birds, they will lay eggs for you. Eggs will be stored in the warehouse. Collect them, sell the eggs, and you will get gold. You can even invite friends, exchange resources for real money, and buy more birds to get more income. So there's really a lot to this, and this game is actually our personal favorite. So make sure that you create an account to try it out. Play all 3 games and let us know in the comments down below how it goes for you. Now again, before we wrap things up, let's have a little recap. So our first website is called Lucktastic, or our first app. You download this app, you play the games, and you're gonna earn points that you can eventually convert into cash and cash that money out. Next thing we have is Misplay. You do the same exact thing. You're going to download the app on your Google Play Store or on your iOS device, and the reviews are great, the ratings are great, it's absolutely amazing. Play games and then you can cash out your rewards. You can even choose to get gift cards. And lastly, what we have as the third one, and our favorite one, is corn-farm.com. We're basically going to be farming eggs, selling those eggs, getting gold for it, and getting that gold converted into real cash. So make sure you try all 3 websites out. Follow all the instructions that we just told you to follow. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.